Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools with a focus on one of the best Ryobi 18V lithium batteries on the market, the Ryobi PBP005 plus 18V Lithium-Ion 4.0 battery. If you're serious about your power tools, you know that having a reliable battery is crucial for getting the job done efficiently. And that's where the Ryobi PBP005 comes into play. With its impressive features and performance, it's no wonder why this battery is a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes the Ryobi PBP005 stand out from the crowd. This lithium-ion battery is designed to provide up to 3 times more runtime compared to a 1.5Ah battery, giving you extended power for your tools. One of the standout features of the PBP005 is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 1.59 pounds, this battery won't weigh you down during those long hours of work. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Another great aspect of the Ryobi PBP005 is its compatibility with over 225 OnePlus tools. Whether you're using a drill, a saw, or a sander, rest assured that this battery will work seamlessly with your favorite Ryobi tools. But what about performance? Well, the PBP005 doesn't disappoint. With its high-visibility LED fuel gauge, you can easily monitor the remaining runtime of the battery, ensuring that you never run out of power unexpectedly. And let's not forget about durability. The PBP005 is built to last, thanks to its robust design and anti-vibration technology. Plus, it's backed by a generous 3-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best Ryobi 18V lithium battery, look no further than the Ryobi PBP005 plus 18V Lithium-Ion 4.0 battery. With its extended runtime, compact design, and compatibility with a wide range of tools, it's the perfect companion for all your DIY projects. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy DIYing!